Alailua of Dr. S.K. Baba himself, now Ben and Brahman, and the Supreme Head of Holy Spirit. Honorable Highnesses here present, Your Excellency, and Lady Wife, the youth of this empire. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, gentlemen of the press, I'm highly honored and extremely delighted to welcome you all to the formal inauguration of Dr. S.K. Adibon, the Council of Oduduwa Foundation, ACOF. And it's so doing, I would at the outset wish to express my gratitude and appreciation to His Royal Majesty Alailua of Dr. S.K. Adibon, AD, CFR, Yahuwah and Brahman of Oduduwa, whose exemplary vision is what is being translated into concrete action. My deep appreciation also goes to the members of the Traditional Council, the Glory of Oba Oduduwa Ebo Balogun, Oduduwa Dr. Mike Adenuga Jr., Oduduwa Benga Daniel, and Dr. Ebu Wife, the year of Oduduwa Olufunpẹ̀lẹ̀, and all the members for their commitment in supporting this global cause. The ACOF, as it was conceptualized, is aimed at the socio-economic and structural development of the country, adding value through its prospects and related activities and interventions to improve the welfare and well-being of its people. The foundation is also premised on the well-known activities of the Hebrews as industrious, enterprising, and hardworking people, constantly seeking and exploring new opportunities that will enable them to reach their full potentials in the areas of commerce, industry, health, education, technology, and other facets of life. ACOF therefore provides unique initiative to turn challenges into opportunity for the progress and advancement of the communities. ACOF also serves to institutionalize the Yali October Day as an annual pre-Oduduwa event for fundraising and adding commercial value to the religious socio-cultural event that has historically served as a rallying point for all the people, solidly behind and paying homage to their glad honor and celebrating the Oduduwa with friends at home and abroad, as well as corporate organizations in partnership. The ACOF intends to unleash and maximize the hidden opportunities that this unique annual event provides. Ladies and gentlemen, it's against this background that the Royal Majesty gave royal consent to the foundation with its existing structures of other ministers, and the executive committee under the chairmanship of Dr. Adekunle Azan, Yobarwa, working with its various subcommittees to start activities of the foundation. Some of these will involve fundraising within and outside the country and partnering with the individuals, corporate bodies, and international organizations to enable the foundation embark on its proposed economic, commercial, and infrastructural endeavors through rehabilitation of institutions, of government or moribund institutions that can serve trending and capacity building needs of the community. Finally, I want to again thank you all for being part of this epoch-making event and to count on your sustained support morally and financially to make all our hopes and aspirations come to fruition.